Hello, welcome to my video. Today I practice pronounce sound oh bird first birthday circle 30 word work word worst turn Thursday journey early off heard learn service Germany refer dessert grant word university Now I practice these sentences. Number 1. My birthday is on Thursday the 31st and hers is a week later. Number 2. When would you prefer, Tuesday or Thursday? Number 3. That was the worst journey in the world. Number 4. Have you ever heard this word? Number 5. A. The cake wasn't very good. B. I thought they were. Number 6. She went to university to learn German. She went to university to learn German. Thanks for watching my video. See you later. Goodbye.